Hey guys, Mr. Brennan 540 with an updated light check. Took off my brakes, got some new parts. Alright, so same old grips, you know, Odyssey grips. Some Odyssey bar ends. It's a main grips, you know. We got some Sabrosa 775 bars with a Dan's comp sticker, because I'm awesome. GT top load stem, very sexy. GT Racing compression bolt. Hold on, can't get it focused. Yeah, you can see it. Nice. GT headset. It's sealed. Very nice. GT Slammer frame. 2012. Love this. With same exact forks. It has the same name, I guess. We got the Odyssey front wheel. I don't know what kind of Odyssey. It's stock though, so it's pretty nice. GT airbags, 2.1 tires, front and back. Some random pedals with very good bearings. Not very loose at all. Some non-tubular GT cranks. I got tubular ones at my house. I'm ready to spray painting. 26 tooth sprocket. Whoa, that's a change. Okay. KMC chain, very loose. Emission function hub with a mission back rim, 9-tooth driver. Is it semi-sealed?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's semi-sealed. Got a mission one-piece seat off a kink curb. And I already talked about the pedals. And yeah, that's pretty much about it on my bike check. Let me know if I forgot anything in the video. Got some pegs, which are chromoly. This bike weighs about 25.6 pounds. That's what it weighs. Very nice bike. Love you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you favorite it if you're one of those bike people that are crazy that just like watching videos and videos and over again. But yeah, thanks guys.